It's essential to make sure you pick the exact right e-commerce platform and the best site theme. Here are the best Shopify themes with beautiful e-commerce designs. Whether you need a theme for your online store or to use for your next client website project, we have you covered. Wokiee is one of the best Shopify themes you could find if you're looking for versatility. Its latest update included 16 new skins, loads of blocks to help you build the e-commerce layout you want. Basel is a multi-purpose Shopify theme offering a classic-looking storefront for all kinds of e-commerce businesses, including fashion, electronics, and food and drink. Shella is all about performance. It includes features such as advanced filters, a banner builder, and a mega menu builder. If you want one of the best Shopify templates, this is a great option. Gecko is a responsive Shopify theme with a range of subtly different homepages and layouts. It's bright and inviting and takes advantage of all the Shopify selling features. Under the moniker of Fastor version 4, this multi-purpose theme has seen plenty of updates since the original version. It's now faster with less complexity and has seen support for Shopify features like Shopify sections added as well. Handy is a stylish, responsive, and easy-to-use Shopify theme. It's a great choice if you are looking to start a shop selling handmade products. The theme comes with plenty of features like an out-of-the-box layout configurator that allows you to set custom layouts, mega menus, video slideshows, live searches, and more. The Belle Shopify theme by elite author Adorn Themes is worth taking a look at. Its latest version includes 4 new Christmas theme layouts for when the festive season comes around. This is one of the coolest Shopify themes for sale on ThemeForest, featuring more than 225 homepages, 40 plus drag and drop sections, and over 10 headers so you can build your perfect Shopify store. Porto Shopify theme is not only a Shopify theme, it is a powerful package that has everything you need for your Shopify store. This theme provides many different layouts and design styles, powerful theme settings, and is easy to customize for any business or store, while also providing over 45 preset homepage layouts. Great for launching your store immediately. And if you're looking to learn about all things design, why not check out some of the other excellent videos that Envato Tuts Plus has to offer. If you like this video and would like to see more, consider giving us a like and even subscribing if you haven't already. And don't forget to click the little bell icon to be notified of all new videos, including tips, tricks, and tutorials.